What if I told you the garden you're looking at right now was completely transformed for less than the cost of a single store-bought light fixture? While most people think beautiful outdoor lighting requires a big budget and professional installation, I'm about to show you how a few simple Dollar Tree finds can turn any dark, forgotten yard into a glowing, magazine-worthy space. These lighting hacks look custom, expensive, and thoughtfully designed, yet each one costs just a few dollars and takes minimal effort. Stick with me because one of these ideas completely changed the way my garden feels at night, and everyone assumes it was professionally done. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening, where we focus on creating beautiful outdoor spaces without overspending or overcomplicating things. Today's video is all about clever, budget-friendly garden lighting that delivers serious impact, even if you're a beginner. If you love smart DIY ideas, affordable garden upgrades, and timeless design that actually works in real life, make sure you're subscribed and give this video a like, so you don't miss what's coming next. Now let's dive in and turn your garden into a space you'll actually want to enjoy after the sun goes down. Hack number 1: Frosted Globe Garden Lanterns. This first hack creates soft, glowing garden lanterns that look like they came straight from a high-end outdoor catalog. Using simple Dollar Tree bowls and a basic solar light, you can build beautiful frosted globes that cast an even ambient glow instead of harsh light. Once they're finished, they blend seamlessly into the landscape and instantly elevate patios, pathways, and seating areas. When the sun goes down, they give your garden that calm, polished look you usually only see in professionally designed spaces. What really makes these lanterns special is how versatile they are. You can make several in different sizes, group them in odd numbers, or tuck them between plants for a layered lighting effect that feels natural and intentional. They're perfect for highlighting garden edges, softening dark corners, or adding a warm focal point near outdoor furniture. For just a few dollars, this hack delivers one of the biggest visual upgrades you can make to your garden lighting. Hack number 2: Crystal Prism Hanging Basket Chandelier. This lighting hack instantly adds elegance and drama to your garden, even though it's made from the simplest materials. A basic wire hanging basket becomes a stunning outdoor chandelier once crystal prisms and a solar light are added. During the day, the crystals catch and reflect sunlight, making the space feel bright and decorative. At night, the soft glow combined with the sparkle of the prisms creates a refined, high-end look that feels far more expensive than it actually is. What makes this hack especially effective is where and how you hang it. Placing it at eye level near a seating area, pathway, or garden entrance turns it into a statement piece rather than just another light source. Varying the lengths of the prisms gives the chandelier movement and depth, which helps it feel intentional and professionally styled. This is one of those projects that proves small details can completely transform the atmosphere of an outdoor space. Hack number 3: Moroccan Lantern Pathway Lights. This hack brings instant warmth and character to your garden by turning simple jars and solar lights into Moroccan-inspired pathway lanterns. The colored glass softens the light and creates a rich, glowing effect that feels relaxed and inviting rather than bright and harsh. Lined along a walkway or garden border, these lanterns guide the eye and make even the simplest path feel thoughtfully designed and welcoming after dark. The beauty of this idea is how easy it is to customize. You can mix glass colors for a layered look or keep everything consistent for a more polished feel. Spacing them evenly along the path keeps the lighting balanced and prevents the area from feeling cluttered. This hack is perfect for adding personality to your garden while still keeping everything functional, affordable, and easy to update seasonally. Hack number 4: Tiki Torch Broomstick Lights. This hack is a game changer for summer evenings and outdoor gatherings, because it adds height, warmth, and atmosphere without using real flames or expensive fixtures. By transforming a simple broom handle into a faux tiki torch, you get tall, glowing lights that instantly frame patios, decks, and garden seating areas. The flame-style solar light creates a realistic flicker that feels cozy and intentional, making your outdoor space look styled for entertaining rather than just casually lit. What makes these broomstick lights especially effective is how they define a space. Placing several around the perimeter of a patio or along a fence line creates a visual boundary that makes the area feel finished and inviting. You can vary the heights slightly or stagger their placement to avoid a repetitive look, which gives the lighting a more custom designer feel. For such a simple and affordable project, This hack delivers a dramatic upgrade that completely changes how your garden feels after sunset. Hack number 5. Wire basket pendant lights. This is one of those lighting hacks that instantly makes people assume you spent a lot of money, because it looks custom and architectural. By using wire baskets or colanders paired with a small light inside, you create pendant lights that feel industrial, modern and intentionally designed. The open metal structure allows the light to spill through in soft patterns, casting beautiful shadows on walls, floors and nearby plants, which adds depth and visual interest to the space. These pendant lights work especially well in covered areas like pergolas, patios or outdoor dining spaces, where you want the lighting to feel cozy but still functional. Hanging several at different heights creates that layered effect designers use to make spaces feel balanced and inviting. With a quick coat of spray paint in a matte or metallic finish, these simple materials are transformed into statement pieces that elevate your garden without overwhelming it. Hack number 6. Candlestick holder tabletop lights. This hack is perfect for adding soft, elegant lighting to outdoor tables without dealing with cords, extension wires or open flames. By pairing a simple candlestick holder with a small solar light, you create portable tabletop lighting that feels refined and intentional rather than temporary. The gentle glow is ideal for outdoor dinners, evening conversations or quiet moments on the patio, and it instantly makes the space feel more inviting. What makes these lights so versatile is how easily they can be styled. Grouping different heights together creates a layered high-end look, while placing them along deck railings or garden steps adds subtle illumination without overpowering the area. They're easy to move, easy to store, and simple to update with paint to match your decor, making them one of the most practical and polished lighting hacks in the garden. Hack number 7. Sunflower light basket centerpiece. This is the lighting hack that gets the most attention because it looks beautiful both day and night. During the day it appears as a full cheerful floral arrangement that adds color and charm to your patio or garden seating area. Once the sun goes down, the solar lights hidden inside softly illuminate the flowers, creating a warm glowing centerpiece that feels thoughtful and professionally styled, rather than obviously solar powered. What really sets this idea apart is how multifunctional it is. It works as decor, lighting, and a focal point all in one, which makes it perfect for outdoor tables, benches, or even garden entrances. You can easily change the flowers to match the season, keeping the same base while refreshing the look throughout the year. This hack proves that garden lighting doesn't have to look like lighting at all to make a big impact. Hack number 8. Concrete base portable solar lamps. This hack is all about flexibility and stability, especially in areas where traditional solar stakes just don't work. By creating a simple concrete base for your solar lights, you end up with sturdy portable lamps that can be placed anywhere without tipping over. They're perfect for patios, deck corners, poolside areas, or any spot where you want light but can't dig into the ground. Once set in place, they look clean, intentional, and far more permanent than standard solar lights. What makes these lamps especially useful is how adaptable they are. You can move them around depending on the season, your layout, or even special events without having to reinstall anything. Painting the concrete base to match your outdoor decor instantly gives them a polished, finished look, and making several at once creates cohesion across your space. This hack delivers practical lighting with a custom feel, all while staying firmly within a budget. Hack number 9. Planter pot light displays. This hack is perfect for combining functionality with style, turning ordinary garden pots into eye-catching lighting features. By hiding solar lights inside decorative planters and filling around them with floral foam, river rocks, or glass pebbles, you can create a polished display that looks professionally designed. The lights peek over the top, casting a soft ambient glow that highlights plants, pathways, or seating areas without drawing attention to the fact that it's a DIY project. It's a subtle but incredibly effective way to add dimension and warmth to your garden after dark. The real beauty of this idea is its versatility. You can mix different pot sizes and group them in odd numbers to create a natural layered effect, or swap out the rocks and decorations seasonally for a fresh look throughout the year. Adding colored gels or painting the pot's metallic tones gives even more customization, allowing you to match any garden style. These planter displays don't just illuminate your space, they also act as sculptural elements that enhance the overall aesthetic of your outdoor area, making them a must-try for anyone looking to elevate garden lighting on a budget. Hack number 10. Light Globe Mushroom Garden. This whimsical hack transforms ordinary glass bowls or thrifted light fixture globes into enchanting mushroom-shaped garden lights that feel straight out of a fairy tale. By placing solar stake lights inside and securing the globes with silicone, you create soft, glowing mushroom forms that add depth, texture, and a playful charm to shaded corners or flower beds. Clustering them in groups of 3 to 5 and varying the heights makes the effect feel natural and intentional, as if these magical little lights had always belonged in your garden. What really makes this hack special is its ability to create a sense of wonder in any outdoor space. Nestled among ferns, hostas, or low-growing plants, the mushroom lights give your garden a storybook vibe, perfect for evenings when you want a cozy, magical atmosphere. The glow is subtle but impactful, offering just enough light to highlight pathways or seating areas without overpowering the natural beauty around them. This hack proves that with a little creativity and a few simple materials, even the smallest, most overlooked parts of your garden can become show-stopping features that look professional and whimsical at the same time. Before you start installing your lights, a few strategic tips can make all the difference in performance and longevity. First, always clean your solar panels regularly, with rubbing alcohol to ensure they charge efficiently, and replace rechargeable batteries about once a year. Proper placement is key. Make sure panels face south or toward the sun's path, and avoid areas shaded by trees, fences, or buildings. Testing lights before committing to a permanent spot saves frustration and ensures each one performs at its best. Layering and styling your lighting creates a more polished, professional look. Combine ambient lighting like globe lanterns, pathway lights for guiding movement, and accent or focal lights to highlight plants or features. Vary heights, use warm and cool tones, and group lights in odd numbers to add depth and dimension. Shopping strategically also helps stock up on clearance lights after holidays. Check Dollar Tree frequently for seasonal items, and grab extras when you see something that could work in multiple projects. Small touches like these elevate your garden lighting from basic to magazine-worthy without increasing your budget. And there you have it, 10 Dollar Tree garden lighting hacks that prove you don't need a big budget to create a magical magazine-worthy outdoor space. Each project is affordable, beginner-friendly, and designed to make your garden feel intentional, layered, and full of personality. From soft glowing globes and whimsical mushroom lights to elegant pendants and multi-purpose floral centerpieces, these hacks show that a little creativity goes a long way. The best part, my total investment for all of these ideas was under $50, yet the transformation feels like it cost hundreds, if not more. Your garden can now go from plain and dark to enchanting and inviting, all while staying budget conscious and fun to create. I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me which hack you're most excited to try first. If you recreate any of these ideas, tag me on Instagram @timelessgardening so I can see your amazing setups. Don't forget to grab my free garden lighting placement guide in the description, which shows exactly where to position your lights for the best impact. If you loved this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more creative, budget-friendly garden tips, and ring the bell so you never miss a new upload. Until next time, keep growing, keep glowing, and remember, a beautiful garden is timeless.